Alright boys, XP Deus 2 9-inch coil, public beta version 3.02. We're going to look at sensitive FT using full tones. And we're going to use fast program with a pitch tones. And we're looking at this ground iron tone break. Oh, there's that old piece of flat iron again. But over here is a nickel. You know, somebody could leave that target right there. That could be a $5 gold coin in a sight. Alright. So we're in the fast program currently. Pitch tones is going to be used. We're going to play with this ground iron break. It's at minus 6.4. We're at silencer 1, speed 3. So we hear two targets there, don't we? Audio wise. I wonder if we got over that one first and we start raising that call. We're like, boy, that might be an old piece of iron. You know, I'm getting a strong signal up here. From an audio standpoint, there's really no difference there, huh? Coming this way. Oh, out here, there's no difference that way either. Is there? Might walk on both of those, huh? Now, that's the iron ground break at minus 6.4. I'm going back to 0. Okay. Well, there ain't an ounce of difference in the sound of those targets, is there? Even from that direction. So we're getting out of the old fast program using pitch tones. We're going to sensitive FT. We're in full tones. The offset is at 10. There is no bottle cap. Okay, we're going to look at the ground iron break on this one. Now it's at 6.4. Now we're at the same speed, I believe. Yep. Minus 6.4 for the ground iron break. Now I'm going to come across this with this. What do we hear? You hear that audio on that nickel? Hear that scratchy shit right there? Now what about if we come out here? You're in the wild out here and you come through here and you hear that and you hear that. So law of averages tells me what? That nickel right there is in a much bigger chance of being dug running this machine and this full tones with this ground iron break at minus 6.4. We are going to dial the ground iron break back to 0 using the sensitive full tones. Silencer is at 1, speed 3. See what we got? So we really don't have any differentiation there to speak of, do we? There's a little more there than using the pitch tones with the fast. Now I'm out here. You hear that? Now we're out there. Okay, now I'm going to bring the ground iron break back to minus 6.4. Alright, now I'm back over the flat iron. Oh, that's that old scratchy bullshit. What about out here? Uh-oh, look at that. Nice and clean, huh? Over here? When that coal's departing that nickel, you can clearly hear that thing. Let's go the other way. Alright, another little demo there for you boys and girls. The XP Mighty Deus 2 with the beta version 3.02.